Hi, welcome along to my latest video repair. I'm Sadler from Dent-Remover. What I'll be showing you in a second is a recent repair I did on a Volkswagen Tiguan. The main damage is on a rear door. What's happened is it's been in a car park and another car's reversed slowly into it, and it's just really messed up the door, especially on the bottom body line. What I'll be showing you in a second is the actual damage. We'll have a look at it and then I'll be showing you a quick time lapse of me repairing it, and at the end we'll have a detailed look at the finished repair. So enjoy! Okay, so let's take a look at the damage. What I've done is I've just marked up the main areas that need repairing. Taking a look at the edge of the door, we can see that the door skin has been flexed and it's made this line, and that's where the frame is. This is quite strong. Also down at the bottom it's just buckled it a little bit. And then onto the main dent. It's really damaged that body line, and also it will be damaged behind this moulding. We'll take a look at this arrowed section in a second. This area is concave from factory, but I think because of the damage low down, it's just drawn in. Okay, so it's better seeing it from this area. The arrowed part, you can see the door skin has been really pulled in, and that again is from a damage below. Once we start repairing the body line at the bottom, it'll all straighten out. It's quite flexible. The majority of this will just come out when the other areas are repaired. You can see how bad it is. My flag at the bottom is meant to be 1, not 2. Okay, so I'm doing a time lapse because this repair took majority of the day to do. Basically, I removed the lower trim. There's some factory holes there so I can get my tools in there, but I did start the lower body line with glue. This drawed majority of the dent out and I was able to finish it off. And then I worked a little bit further up in the concave area, repairing the 2-inch crease, and then I went onto the door edge. This is quite a tricky little dent to do because you need to have it warm and tap right on the edge. If you get it wrong, you put little dot marks in there and it's extremely difficult to get these out. And quite a few hours later, we ended up with this. The reflection of my flag is all 1, it's not 2 now. Bringing the inspection board into it, we can see a lot of the detail. The red arrow just highlights where that nasty kink was in the body line. But there's absolutely minimal distortion around the door. This area in the corner, that is extremely difficult to fix. It's absolutely solid because of all the folds and the glue in that area. But it came out quite nice. Looking at the door panel like this, there's no obvious kinks or anything. All you can see there is just the natural lines. You might notice the small dents that are ringed on the other panels. They were all sorted out as well. With the trim back on, you can't see any distortion now on this lower body line. And I think our customer is going to be very happy with the finished results. If you have damage like this and you'd like it repairing, you can get us at www.dent-remover.co.uk, or you can call us on 01482 861 377. Well, there you go. Came out really well. If you do like my videos, why not like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've got some more videos coming up shortly, but for now, thank you very much.